So is the Congress barking up the wrong tree when it is holding Parliament to ransom over, well, blaming the government that it's carrying out political vendetta against its top leaders on an issue which is stemmed out of something that the party itself and its top leaders itself are being alleged to have done, and that is something that has emanated from the courts. To talk about it, we have Harish Gupta, national editor of Lokmat, with us. Welcome, Mr. Gupta. Could you tell us what do you make of this sort of an attitude of the Congress party, where it's saying that we will not allow Parliament to function because we're being made victims, it's political vendetta, and the government is saying it's come from the courts, we have nothing to do with it?
You see, the Congress party got a shock basically. They didn't expect that the judgment will come so soon. They were not expecting it. They thought the judge will follow a procedure which was laid down. But judge took a decision and maybe he followed the procedure or did not follow the procedure. That was for the judge to decide. And if he pronounced a verdict, you can only go in appeal, which Congress party wisely decided not to go in appeal.
Okay.
You see, the point is, if a lower court has issued you summons, you went to the high court. You did not want to appear before the lower court. Who went in appeal? The government did not go in appeal.
No. The
It
government
was
is
a
not
private
party to the
complaint.
case right
No,
now.
it was a private complaint which the judge entertained. The High Court listened to the case, and when the Congress party appeared before the judge, there was a duty roster changed, as far as I learned. Every festival season when the court goes for the break,
Yeah.
and when they reassemble, it was posted before a new judge. The Congress advocates pleaded before the High Court registry that the case should be posted to the same judge who was hearing the case.
Okay.
So it was the judge which Congress advocates chose. Now the judge has pronounced a verdict. So, I mean, now what to do? If a court, if suddenly what has happened is the National Herald case has come into the limelight. Until now it was intolerance debate.
Right.
So suddenly it's a Herald case which is the forefront.
But
So this is the problem.
now this is a case of political intolerance in reverse, isn't it? Because
see-
the government is being blamed for something that it's not responsible for.
No, whose responsibility nobody knows. Everybody wants to know why Parliament was held up.
But the Congress thinks that, since Subramanian Swamy is the complainant and he's from the BJP, it's the government which is to blame. But do you find merit in that argument?
You see, of course, Dr. Subramanian Swamy is in BJP. There is no doubt about it. But may I also tell you that it was Subramanian Swamy who pulled down the Vajpayee government, and he joined hands with Sonia Gandhi. When Vajpayee government lost on the floor of the Parliament by one vote.
Yes, it's all part of history now.
No. But then it is history. You cannot just wither away history. So, Subramanian Swamy is an institution in himself. He is a living
legal tour
institution.
de force.
So to interpret and link, BJP has not given him anything. You see, rather Swamy should be angry with BJP.
We leave that to some other day.
No. So the point is, Congress is only saying political vendetta because of Dr. Swamy. Otherwise, let me also tell you, there is a case of 90 crores.
Yes.
The 90 crore, the Congress party, the political party that got exemption from the income tax. All political parties are exempt from income tax. The Board of Cricket Control in India was given tax exemption. They gave 25 crores to football for the promotion of football to Football Association. The income tax department of the UPA, under the UPA, withdrew tax exemption from BCCI, and now that has not been restored.
The IT department is also looking into this 90 crore dealing as well. But that's again separate.
No, the point is that file is pending, interestingly, with the government. I will say the IT department wanting to act against the Congress party and withdraw that exemption. I don't know where is that file. The point is that government is trying to work out that let us go together. And I think today may be a different day. But tomorrow, we may have a Bonhomie again. Because this storm will wither away.
What makes you think that? Because
you see, this is not a sustainable issue before Parliament. You know, Parliament means you discuss, debate.
the government is saying that we can discuss this issue as well. Let's because the Mr. Arun Jaitley very clearly said that we're thankful to the Congress that the issue of corruption has once again come to the fore, and we are willing to discuss all issues of corruption.
You see, Congress and BJP are political rivals. But when you say that it's a political vendetta being pursued against us, they have to find something bigger than National Herald Case.
And they're saying political vendetta as an implication, and that implication is pretty difficult to stomach, because then they're imputing motives to the court, which they're not saying directly, but they're implying it.
No. They are saying that, look, because it's a politically inspired case against us. Now, suppose Dr. Swamy withdraws tomorrow. The issue is, can a private complainant be entertained by the court?
No, and there are Congress leaders who are saying that the case is being pushed suddenly.
No. Pushed by whom?
They've not specified.
No. That's what I'm saying. That the point
The
is.
implication is that the government is pushing.
But is the issue
and the courts are
sustainable?
getting pushed.
Is the issue sustainable beyond tomorrow? I think tomorrow also Parliament may not function. But day after, it will be very difficult for Congress party.
So you feel that the Congress needs to rethink its strategy
No.
about stalling
Congress
Parliament?
will think. Congress is a responsible party. I don't think today may be a spontaneous reaction.
Yeah.
Where, you know,
if they worked
emotional
up about it,
reaction.
take it to the streets. Why hold up Parliament?
No. Street, they will certainly go on 19th of December. When Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi go to the court, the congressmen will be out on the street, let me tell you.
No, they'll play victim, which is what
Of
every
course.
political party does. And,
That's why Sonia
that's
Gandhi
the way to
said.
go, not hold up Parliament.
No.
I mean, we
That's
need
what I'm
Parliament
saying.
to
That
function.
it's
We need the GST bill now, especially when that rate has been fixed at 15%, which is good.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. That is an emotional outburst. And emotional outburst cannot survive for more than 2 days.
Okay.
My assessment I am giving, that it will not be prolonged. The agony should end by tomorrow or day after maybe.
Well, this is a short-lived agony, but the longer agony is the case itself, which is not going away anytime too soon.
Well, I mean, it can be prolonged.
Yeah.
Because there are no immediate solutions.
And you feel there are serious implications here for the top leadership of the Congress in this case?
You know, it's a serious case. I will not say it's a criminal case, because there are legal areas which have yet to be answered. The Congress party has to answer and satisfy the court.
Okay.
The arguments on merit have not taken place. So we do not know what exactly, because Income Tax Department, what they are
All
doing.
the observations that the High Court made yesterday, they're pretty damning. I mean,
they are only
that's
still saying they are
tantamount to
prima facie.
pronouncing them guilty.
Yeah, but they are still saying prima facie. So they have only said you go before the trial court.
Okay.
So the Congress party, I think, took a very right decision in not knocking at the door of the Supreme Court. But why not go to the trial court and tell the court? I mean, the point is, if they have done no wrong, so let them go. What you are saying, that don't hold the Parliament, hold up the Parliament, I don't think it will be prolonged.
Okay.
It is a spontaneous, emotional, and they thought it will revive us. Now, the elections are still very far away.
I know. Let's hope that your assessment bears out and we see reason return to this strategy that the Congress has adopted. That it can fight the matter in court. It can, if it wants to make that political vendetta charge stick, it can take it to the streets, but not hold Parliament to ransom. Thank you for joining us this evening. We'll see how this plays out. There's